Hi guys, does the law of attraction actually work? You will have to watch till the end to find out. So before I start my topic today, I want to say the people out there, do subscribe, that supports me, do like, do comment, everything, do everything together so I feel happy because I'm trying to make you happy. So does this law of attraction really work? My sister, my younger one, she does not believe it. She thinks I'm crazy. So I have been following this law of attraction maybe for 6-7 years now. I have many techniques every day I do, but the main goal of law of attraction is set big goals. But we need to know that these goals we are progressing on the right direction, and sometimes our mind requires something that says it works or not. I know if it works or not, but for you will have to wait till the end to find out. Why? Because if you go away, you will get half the knowledge. And everybody out there, I love you all. So I always try to set big goals. That's the point of this law which we know. So what is the law of attraction? We have to ask, we have to believe, and then it will come to us. So it feels like someone saying it is magic or something. So does this law of attraction actually work? I'll tell you a simple story. It was 2017. You can go to my Instagram and I've posted that. I'm trying to get my goals and all, but sometimes we all feel a bit down. So this time I've gone to Delhi. So going to Delhi, I had not that a comfortable flight. The meals were not ordered because my company back in team mostly books the flight. So I don't know, they forgot to book the meals. So 3-hour flight, I forgot to take my purse as well, and I had to suffer a lot on that flight. So while I was coming back, I thought, okay, I am believing in this law of attraction too much. Let me test it. I always try to test it. So after I get out of the head office, I sit in the cab. I start dreaming all the things that can come. That I'm having a comfortable flight. I'm thinking of all the good things that is coming in the flight. I'm just specific in the flight. And then I reach. So I fall asleep in the taxi, and the taxi guy reaches the airport and he calls me, Saab, Niklo Saab. I get up, oh my goodness, I reached. So I always walk in confidence because in my mind you have to feel good always. So I take my luggage, I'm walking and going, and when I enter I look at the time, I'm 3 hours early. I just need 45 minutes to be early for a domestic flight, but I'm 3 hours early. See how dedicated I am. So I reach the airport, I enter. After showing every documents, I enter. I see a huge line. The line starts like this, like this, like this, like this. Oh my goodness, I'm go crazy. Big line. So I think, oh, still I'm 3 hours early, so no issue can happen. So I walk, I go to the line, I stand. I'm looking every time at the time, and then the line becomes smaller, 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 and I reach the front of the queue, and the person calls me, and I show my booking, and he looks into his system and then looks at me. He looks down again, he looks at me, he looks down again, and he looks at me, and then says, Sir, the flight is fully booked. We will have to accommodate you for tomorrow. In my mind, I get, my goodness, but on face, I look at him like a cunning way. I look at him and say, I got booking message into my phone. Do you know who I am? Even I don't know who I am. I just asked him that. He suddenly got out of the seat. He ran to the third counter there, and he's speaking to a lady, and the lady says, come this side. So I go to the lady, and then the guy says me, Sir, she will take care of you. I told, no, I don't want to say the whole thing again. I want you to only attend me. So the lady says, Mr. Khaan, I'll take care of you. I say, okay. So I don't know, because I have seen videos, these guys maybe kicking out, because I told, you know who I am, he'll kick me out of the flight. So I'm little bit not trusting him. But the lady, she gives me a flight ticket. That time again confidence comes. Then again I walk with the confidence. I go to the waiting place. I think so number 5 was the waiting area, and I sit there. Maybe still one hour left, and then the call comes. They are calling the seat numbers for people to start boarding the flight. So I start seeing they're calling all the seat numbers, and people are started queuing. And when I'm looking, they're not calling my name. I'm going crazy. Oh my goodness, did that lady say Mr. Khaan and cheat me? Oh my goodness, did I mess up by saying, do you know who I am? So I wait. I think maybe they have given me a wrong ticket to get me tomorrow flight. So I wait. So the first set goes about 20 people, then the next 10 people goes, and then they call 4 people numbers. So in that I am number 3, I think so. So I think, oh okay, I must have got a seat, thank God, because I am the last person. They gave me a seat. So I go to board the flight, and then when I board the flight, I'm looking where's my seat, where my seat is. And suddenly number 3, I'm looking, I'm fully mouth struck. What do you say that word? I don't know whatever word that is. I am amazed. You know what I got? I got a business class seat. And okay, I got a business class seat. People might say not a much big deal, you got a business class seat. So I go and sit there. Okay, suddenly after 5-10 minutes, a lady comes. Sir, would you like to have hot towel? I think, oh my goodness, I forgot again. I didn't take my cash. I took only card. So I say her immediately, ma'am, no need hot towel. And she takes back. So she gives the other 4 people who are in business class, she gives them and she takes back. Then again she comes back. She comes with a menu card saying, sir, you have your menu card, you can order. So there is a starter, there is a main course, and then there is a dessert plus juice. So then she comes back again. So she asks, so what do you want? Do you want juice to start with? So immediately I take my purse out. I'm feeling a little bit ashamed because all these business guys are sitting. I didn't take my cash also. I took my card out and asked, ma'am, will you take card? She said, don't worry sir, it's already paid. You don't need to worry about that. I opened my mouth. I told, is it paid? That time she told, yes sir. So I told, bring me the hot towel fast. So she brought the hot towel. I wiped my face. So then after that I ate the starter, I ate the main course, I ate the dessert. After this, after I landed, I got a memory back. Did I not imagine while sitting in the cab that I wanted a good journey? Did I just not dream that I was getting a good flight? And yes, that came true. This is all true. And if for your proof, I'll share the link that on 2017 I have shared on my Instagram with the caption Law of Attraction. And guys, Law of Attraction is true. If you believe in your mind, you feel it in your heart, it is going to come to you. I don't want to share any techniques today. Why? Because I want to make it fun for you. Learning should be fun. So some days I'll give you something, some days I won't give you something. Some days I'll dance for you. Do subscribe, that supports me. Do like, do comment, everything. Do everything together. So